Hey, it's Shawn with a quick tip. Do you ever get frustrated when you're using your strap winder and you go to push your strap off after you've finished winding it up and the strap winder wants to rotate on you? A lot of times the solution that people go to for solving that problem is to tighten the screw down tighter. And I've seen a lot of strap winders where people have tightened the screw so tight that this piece actually gets bent or the front of the metal gets deformed from all that stress. But you don't have to do that. If you take your strap winder always when you use it and put it on the right hand side of a stake pocket if you're right-handed. If you've got your strap winder set up for left-hand use, you'd have to go on the other side. But if you're right-handed, you put it right up against the stake pocket and then it'll be nice and steady for you. I just tightened that down with my thumb and you can't move it, it's solid. So then you don't have to over-tighten the screw.